Ba't ang dami? May isang gupit lang. Okay na yun. Ay, si Miss Rachel, oh.
Peekaboo! Such a fun game.
Ayun.
It's a surprise box! Should we take out a surprise? Okay, let's say our special find. What's in the box? What could it be? Do you want to take something out with me? You say out. Take it out. Pretend.
Artus.
Oh, made out of icky sticky bubblegum. Can you pretend to stick it to your nose? Where is your nose?
Where's your nose?
Oh, where's your nose? Where's your nose?
Where's your nose now?
How about your elbow? Where's your elbow? Good job.
Hey.
How about your shoulder?
Hindi kasi ano yun eh. Razor sila eh.
Into my shoulder.
Razor sila. Kaya natakot sila. Ah, razor din pala siya. Kasi nga,
May reason.
yan na, I blame.
Kasi po na kayo yung picture niya lang. Tanggalin natin.
Sicky, mom.
Wala, kalbo.
Sicky, mom. That means you can't stick to your mouth.
Wala, kalbo na.
Yung mga kapatid niya, mga kapatid mo. Ikaw na, sir, kinalbo. Ha? Oo,
Lo, pang lalaki lang yun eh.
Kamok, tingnan mo yung tsura mo.
Parang mukha ka na yung baby pa ako eh.
Sicky, mom.
Kalbo. Sapang tao.
Sicky, mom. Use your hands.
Pare, sila dito ni Christian.
Uy.
Ayan.
Peekaboo.
Yung mga buhok nila, sir.
Kalbo. Masamang tao. Kalbo na. Gusto ko kalbo din eh.
Peekaboo. So fun.
Ayun eh.
We take out another
Diba?
surprise. Let's do our special rhyme again. Sing
Kalbo. Kalbo
Sir,
na.
yung itong mga sir, dahil sa ipit po yan. Pagka once na nabasa na lang nabasa.
Kaya na na hairs ko.
Dahil sa ipit po.
Wala na, hindi na magtatali yan.
Saan na matanda? Sa harap ka. Tsaka umuha na ka
Nagsiyasang
Kaya
dito.
hindi siya malipot eh, kasi
Na.
parang may puyo yung
Job.
Good work. Parang lalaki na.
Let's take out another
Kasi wag kalbo yan eh.
Say out. Take it out. You did it.
Tingnan guys, kalbo.
Can you see that? Oh, Bunny is so hungry. What do we do? Feed Bunny the carrot?
Parang hindi na siya, parang hindi na, pati, parang iba na yung mukha niya eh. Parang lalaki.
Sino nakamukha?
Ako na.
Thank you for feeding me the carrot. Can you make your bunny talk? Thank you.
Sabi na bawal,
Job.
sabi na bawal, yung babae bawal mag,
Bunny
kalbo.
is getting so tired now. What does it look like to be tired? Can you show
Asan,
me?
next week sana kalbulit ka.
Yes.
Mas bagay sa'yo yun eh. Ako na, hindi na ako kalbo eh. Gusto ko naman kalbo eh.
Let's
Sino
see.
siya magpapagupit?
We have this little bed. Let's put Bunny in bed.
Go,
Put her in.
Elsa, Sasawa yung bata. Ay,
Aw, Bunny.
Bye.
Night, night, Bunny. Sweet dreams.
Ang ganda na.